Hey tech fans, GadInsider here, and Google just dropped Android 16, the earliest major Android update ever. Packed with live activities, insane security upgrades, and more, this is a game changer. Stick around to find out why you'll want this on your phone ASAP. Imagine real-time ride-sharing updates on your lock screen, smarter notifications, and protection from scams like never before. Android 16 is here to level up your Pixel experience. Let's dive in. First up, Android 16 launched on June 10, 2025, starting with Pixel devices. We're talking Pixel 6, 7, 8, 9 series, Pixel 9a, Pixel Fold, and even the Pixel tablet. Want it now? Head to Settings, System, Software Update, and hit Check for updates. More brands will roll it out soon, so stay tuned. Now let's talk features. Android 16 introduces live updates. Think iOS live activities, but for Android. Get real-time ride-sharing or food delivery tracking right on your lock screen. No more unlocking your phone to check if your Uber's around the corner. Next, forced notification auto-grouping. Tired of apps spamming your notification shade? This feature groups them together, keeping things clean and organized. And security. Android 16's advanced protection is next level. It shields you from malicious websites, scam calls, and online attack. It's like a fortress for your phone, with one-tap security controls for Chrome, Messages, Phone, and even third-party apps in the future. Google's not stopping there. A future Android 16 update will bring desktop windowing built with Samsung. Picture Samsung DeX vibes, split screen, single app modes, and multitasking on big screens. Your Pixel's about to feel like a mini PC. Why should you care? Android 16 isn't just an update. It's a smarter, safer, and smoother experience. Whether you're a Pixel user or waiting for your brand to roll it out, this OS makes your phone work for you. Plus, it's the earliest major Android release in years. Google's setting the pace. Ready for Android 16? Drop a comment. Tell us which feature you're hyped for. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech updates from GadInsider.